Microsoft has announced that it will retire its Microsoft Action Pack and Learning Pack starting January 21st, 2025. These packages, which have been popular among partners for offering affordable access to Microsoft tools, training, and support, are being phased out in favor of more expensive cloud based alternatives. The new offerings, such as the Partner Success Core and Expanded Benefits packages, will focus on providing deeper access to cloud resources and advanced support. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The phasing out of Microsoft's software programs has raised concerns within its vast partner network. These long standing programs have provided affordable access to software licenses, development resources, and training, making them especially popular among small and medium sized partners. The shift to more expensive cloud centric alternatives like the Partner Success Core and expanded benefits packages reflects Microsoft's broader focus on cloud services and SaaS offerings. Microsoft has been investing heavily in cloud based solutions like Azure and Microsoft 365, which have become key drivers of its revenue. The retirement of on premises support in favor of cloud offerings aligns with its long term strategy to dominate the cloud market and stay competitive against rivals like AWS and Google Cloud. By steering partners towards cloud solutions, Microsoft is also pushing them to adopt cutting edge technologies such as AI, machine learning, and big data. This fosters innovation in its ecosystem and ensures that partners can cater to the evolving demands of customers who increasingly prefer cloud based services for their flexibility and scalability. Secondly, the shift underscores Microsoft's goal of transforming its entire software portfolio into subscription based models. The cloud based packages offer partners continuous access to updates, more extensive cloud resources, and premium support, which help Microsoft maintain recurring revenue streams and offer partners added value for cloud centric clients. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics are becoming core components of modern business operations. Companies across industries are increasingly leveraging these technologies to gain deeper insights, automate processes, and drive innovation. Recognizing this shift, Microsoft is positioning itself as a leader in providing comprehensive cloud solutions that are designed to support these advanced technologies. The shift to cloud based solutions indeed brings several notable advantages for Microsoft partners, but it also introduces significant challenges, especially for those who have historically relied on premises licenses for managing costs and maintaining operational flexibility. Let's look into today's headlines. India and Singapore strengthened partnership via MOU on technology chips and other areas. In order to increase cooperation in the areas of semiconductors, digital technologies, healthcare, and talent development, India and Singapore inked four significant agreements. This action fortifies their current collaboration and puts them in a better position to expand into important industries. The MOUs focus on topics such as cybersecurity, 5G, DPI, and upcoming technologies like AI and quantum computing. Veeam alerts users to a serious RCE vulnerability in backup and replication software. As part of a single September 2024 security bulletin, Veeam has issued security upgrades for a number of its products. These patches address 18 high and critical severity weaknesses in Veeam backup and replication, service provider console, and 1 CVE 2024-40711, a critical remote code execution (RCE) vulnerability on Veeam backup and replication with an exploitable bypass for authentication CVSS v3.1 score equals to 9.8 is the most serious of the issues resolved. AMD names Keith Strier, an AI industry veteran, to boost global AI capabilities and engagements. Keith Strier has joined AMD as Senior Vice President of Worldwide AI Markets. Strier has over 30 years of experience in technical engineering, enabling responsible AI implementations and strategic business and market development. He will be in charge of growing AMD's AI vision, advancing new ecosystem capabilities, and quickening strategic AI interactions in the public and private sectors worldwide. Nazara Tech and the Telangana government collaborate on an AI Center of Excellence. The Telangana government and the gaming and esports startup Nazara Technologies have signed an agreement to create an AI Center of Excellence with a focus on digital entertainment and gaming. By using cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality, blockchain, and Web 3.0, the Nazara AI COE will concentrate on research, development, and innovation in fields including gaming, interactive media, gamified learning, and other digital content. Zomato introduces a dart setting to improve the viewing experience. 30% of users can now utilize Zomato's officially launched dark mode feature. This update offers a visually appealing, eye-friendly alternative to light mode, said Dipender Goyal, CEO of Zomato. The planned phased introduction promises less screen glare and longer battery life for OLED devices, with complete availability by Sunday. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.